Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Policyholder portal with Nextdoor Insurance Partner, detailed guide step by step clearly. To log into the Policyholder portal with Nextdoor Insurance Partner, begin by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for the Nextdoor Insurance Partner portal. Press the Enter key to navigate to the website. Once the page loads, look for the Login button, usually located at the top right corner. Click on the Login button to proceed to the login page. You will now see fields for your username and password. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you want the system to remember your login details, check the option for Remember Me. Once you have filled in your username and password, if your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your Policyholder dashboard. In case you forget your password, locate the Forgot Password link. Click on that link to initiate the password recovery process. Follow the instructions provided to reset your password. If you encounter any issues during the login process, check your internet connection. You may also want to clear your browser's cache and cookies. If problems persist, consider contacting customer support for assistance. Once logged in, explore the various features available in the Policyholder portal. You can view your policy details, make payments, and access documents from your dashboard. Always log out of the portal when you have finished your session for security reasons. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.